How do you manifest love? Namaste guys, this is Poonam, international speaker, transformation coach and a spiritual life coach. And in this video, I am going to share with you 3 steps, which is also a step-by-step guide if you want to manifest love in your life, be it old or new. Now, the people who know me very closely know one thing about me is that whenever I find myself in a serious conversation or situation, I find something funny about the situation. I do not know why do I do that, but I think it's more of a pattern interrupt that I have trained my mind on to keep me grounded and not let the seriousness get to me. And the reason I'm sharing this video is because whenever somebody asks me this question, how do I manifest love? The first thing that comes to my mind is watch Pyar Ka Panchnama and you would never ask it again. And for those who would be watching me from other countries, which I know they do, Pyar Ka Panchnama is this national Bollywood movie in India for guys, especially the broken-hearted and the light-hearted guys. And ladies, please do not hate me. I said guys, not men. Because the moment I said that, I heard somebody's gonna get hurt tonight. I am sorry, I know I'm drifting from the topic. It's just that I just couldn't get myself to do the video with a lot of seriousness today. And yes, coming back to the topic, coming back to today's video, the 3 steps to manifest the love that you want. First is become love. Practice self-love. Now, imagine that love is a radio frequency. And for you to listen to that frequency, you must tune into exact frequency to listen to it clearly. Similarly, for you to manifest love, you've got to become love first. Because understand, you always attract who you are. You never attract what you want. Now the second step is set it and forget it. Once you've practiced the first step, when you become the vibration of love, when you practice that self-love and you want to share it with a companion, then you must set the intention in the universe that you need a companion. And the moment you set the intention, detach yourself from the outcome. Because when you attach with the outcome, it runs away from you. But when you detach, that's when you see it happening in your reality. And my friend Alicio, who is an amazing personal development coach, will vouch for it because he's had the most amazing instant manifestation practicing this. Because believe it or not, energies work like that. Now, the third and the most powerful step is become selfless and help somebody else with what you've practiced. Because when you become selfless and help somebody else with the first 2 steps that you've followed, you actually get into the frequency of true love, which is called being unconditional. And when you do that, boom, you would see that your manifestation has come in 3D reality. So I hope you picked up something from this video. If nothing, I'm sure you got entertained today. So hit that thumbs up and let me know in the comments below wherever you tuned in from, or if there's anything else that you want me to talk about. I'll be more than happy to share my thoughts with you. And follow me for more and more on Instagram, because this year I am dedicated to serve you with daily dose of inspiration. Namaste.